So this one that she's cutting is ugu. And which one is this one down here? This waterleaf. Okay. Uh-huh. Stockfish and palm oil. And you need megata. Okay. Where you from?
Let me see if I can. Hey, no go back in.
Use interchangeably. You heard me? I said so it can be used interchangeably. You can use it as Gary and when you form it to ever. Okay. Ones they even know how to sell this stuff too, don't they? And tell me again what this one is called.
Gary.
Gary. Okay. Well, why y'all call it Ever?
Once they finish making it, it becomes the ball. The ball is known as Eba. But at the raw state, it's called Gary.
It's called Gary. Okay. Okay. And you got stockfish and palm oil and we got tomatoes and onions.